Mars, the red planet. A cold, dusty desert world with vast canyons, towering volcanoes, and a thin atmosphere. Despite being over 140 million miles away from Earth, it has fascinated humans for centuries. Today, it stands at the forefront of our space exploration efforts. For centuries, it has captivated our imagination, and today, Mars holds the potential for becoming humanity's next home. Scientists have been planning to colonize Mars for many years. In August 2015, Aldrin, in association with the Florida Institute of Technology, presented a master plan for NASA consideration, with a tour of duty of 10 years to colonize Mars before 2040. It's interesting to see humanity's bold plans to colonize the red planet, the challenges ahead, and how we plan to travel there. Mars is the fourth planet from the Sun, and its proximity to Earth is an obvious attraction for colonization. Its red color is due to the iron oxide, or rust, that coats its surface. It's roughly half the size of Earth, but shares some close similarities. Mars also has seasons, and the length of its day is almost the same as ours, 24.6 hours to be exact. But unlike Earth, Mars is a frozen wasteland. Temperatures can plummet to -80 degrees Fahrenheit at night. Its atmosphere has 95% carbon dioxide and is too thin to protect us from radiation, or to support life as we know it. Billions of years ago, Mars was a very different world. Rovers like Perseverance have discovered strong evidence that Mars once had liquid water flowing across its surface. Lakes, rivers, and possibly even oceans may have existed. But, was there life? NASA's Perseverance rover, currently exploring Jezero crater, is on a mission to find out the facts. It's collecting samples that may one day help answer the burning question: did Mars once harbor microbial life? Colonizing Mars has been a dream for scientists, explorers, and visionaries. NASA, along with private companies like SpaceX, aims to send humans to Mars in the 2030s. But why? Establishing a human presence on Mars could provide a safety net for humanity. If Earth becomes uninhabitable, Mars could be our second home. It's not that easy, or else, we wouldn't be discussing this, even after 55 years of reaching Moon's surface in 1969. Survival on Mars won't be easy. Unlike Earth, Mars has a hostile environment, extreme cold, radiation, and low gravity. Future colonists will need to build advanced habitats to protect themselves, and create life support systems to produce air, water, and energy from the Martian environment. To prepare for these challenges, scientists are running Mars simulations here on Earth. In desert habitats that mimic the Martian environment, astronauts train for extended missions, learning how to live, work, and survive in isolation. These simulations are essential to understanding the psychological and physical toll of living on Mars. NASA is even experimenting with growing food on Mars, including raising shrimp, to provide future settlers with sustainable food sources. Getting to Mars is a monumental task. Right now, it takes about 7 months to travel the 142 million miles from Earth to Mars. But new technologies could shorten this journey. If you are thinking in the perspective of a time machine, then it's a no. Nuclear-powered spacecraft could cut the travel time to just 45 days. Research is undergoing, and it can be a revolutionary leap for space exploration. Nuclear propulsion works by using nuclear reactions to heat a propellant, creating a much more efficient engine. With this technology, long-duration space missions could become more feasible. But, even with new technologies, traveling to Mars is dangerous. Spacecraft have to deal with cosmic radiation, zero gravity, and mechanical breakdowns over long distances. That's not all. While landing on the Martian surface, astronauts would face another major hurdle, which is landing safety. Unlike Earth, Mars has a thin atmosphere, which makes it difficult for the spacecraft to slow down, increasing the chances of collision with the surface. Scientists are exploring ideas like propulsive maneuvers, performed in the form of short thruster burns, to deal with this challenge. Hopefully, they will fine-tune the landing problem in the coming years, and we will be good to launch for Mars. Scientists are exploring ways to harness the resources of Mars. For example, Mars has frozen water at its poles and in its soil. Future settlers could extract this water, purify it, and use it for drinking, growing food, and producing oxygen. Technologies like bio-regenerative life support systems, which recycle waste and create a closed-loop environment, will also be crucial for sustaining life on Mars. But let's not forget the cost. Sending humans to Mars and establishing colonies could cost hundreds of billions of dollars. Private companies like SpaceX are working to reduce costs with reusable rockets and innovative technologies. However, international collaboration will likely to be the key to sharing the financial burden of such a massive endeavor. The exploration of Mars isn't just about finding another home for humanity. It's about pushing the boundaries of what we can achieve. Understanding Mars could unlock the secrets of our own planet's past, and possibly, its future. Colonizing Mars may seem far-fetched, but with every mission, we're one step closer to turning science fiction into reality. Mars, the next great frontier. Whether it's unlocking ancient mysteries, or planting the seeds of human civilization, this red planet holds the potential to redefine our future. And one day, perhaps, we will walk on its surface, not as visitors, but as settlers. If you found this video informative, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Please help us continue covering technological breakthroughs that are changing lives worldwide. Thank you.